Good morning, students. Continuing our chapter number 5, The Way the World Looks. Students, in this module, we will learn about directions. Route map, we will discuss some questions and we will try to solve it out. You can see directions. There are 4 directions: east, west, north and south. Students, you please take your books out. Page number 58. Now here, Smail's house. On the phone, Smail told Shijada the route to his house from her house. The route map is shown here. A route map is there from Shijata's house to Smail's house. This is what Smail told Shijata. From your house, reach the milk booth and then take a left turn. From the second crossing, take a right turn and go over the bridge. Go straight and then take the first right turn. After about 100 meters, you will see a big park. When you cross the park, you will come to a side lane. My house is the first house in that lane. So in this way, this Smail told Shijata the route map, the total route map from her house to Smail's house. Now some questions is there in your book. You have to find the answer. Question number 1. Did Smail go wrong somewhere? Can you correct him? When Smail told Shijata the route map, whether he told everything correct or he told something wrong, you have to correct him. The answer is yes. Shijata has to take left, going straight after crossing the bridge. Here in the first answer, this Smail told she has to take a right turn. Go straight and take the first right turn. But he has to tell that Shijata has to take the left turn. So this thing he made mistake. Next question. Show where Shijata will reach if she takes the route he told her. So this Smail told something wrong. If Shijata go according to his route map, then she would reach opposite to Smail's house. Third question, write the direction for going from Smail's house to the Shijata's house. Now you have to tell the direction from Smail's house to Shijata's house. So the direction will be start from Smail's house. First take right turn, go straight. After crossing the bridge, take first left turn. Take the second right turn, which is from milk booth. Go straight. The red colored house is Shijata's house. So in this way, this Smail can reach to the Shijata's house. So these 3 questions, you have to first of all learn the route map very well. Then you can solve the answer. If there is any doubt, you can look the answer given in this slide. Next, page number 59. Ghibli and the Big Box. Students, do you remember Ghibli, the ant, in the Math Magic Book 3? Well, one day Ghibli saw a big box on her way. It looked like this. So a box, when Ghibli was going, she saw a big box. Ghibli moved across and turned left. Now she could see the other face of the big box. She was totally confused. When she turned left, again she saw the other face of the big box. Ghibli was confused. What was this box? She climbed on a cup and tried to see from there. The box looked like this. So she was totally confused. What was this box? So she climbed on a cup and tried to see from there. The box looked like this. Now student, can you guess what that box like thing was? What was this box? What kind of this box? So the answer is the box was a dice. Okay. The number on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. Next question. Which number was on the opposite side of 5? Second question. In the picture, which number will be at the bottom? So first of all, we will try to answer the first question. Which number was on the opposite side of 5? Already given, the numbers on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. दोनों opposite faces को आप प्लस करेंगे तो उसका आंसर 7 आना चाहिए. अब क्वेश्चन है which number was on the opposite side of 5? 5 के ऑपोजिट साइड में कौन सा नंबर होगा? दोनों नंबर को आप ऐड करोगे तो आंसर आएगा 7. तो 5 प्लस डैश इक्वल टू 7. तो आंसर विल बी 2. So we are given that the numbers on the opposite faces of the box add up to 7. Thus the number on the opposite side of 5 will be 2, as the sum of 5 and 2 is 7. Next question. Which number will Ghibli see if she again turns left from 5? What will this box look like if you opened it up? Mark the correct picture. Now the answer number 2. In the picture, 1 is given on the top face of the box. So we are given that the numbers on the opposite faces of the box add up to 7. तो 1 अगर टॉप पर है तो बॉटम का कौन सा फेस होगा, उस पे कौन सा नंबर होगा? Thus the number at the bottom of the box will be 6, as the sum of 1 and 6 is 7. Next answer. In the picture, 4 is given on the front face of the box. 4 नंबर फ्रंट फेस पे है तो उसके बैक फेस पे कौन सा नंबर होगा? 4 plus 3 equal to 7. We are given that the number on the opposite faces of the box add up to 7. So the number on the back face of the box will be 3. So when Ghibli turns left from 5, 5 से अगर लेफ्ट में टर्न किया, she will see back face of the box that bears number 3. Thus Ghibli will see number 3 when she turns left from 5. Next question है, what will this box look like if you opened it up? अगर हम एक डाइस को पूरा खोल देंगे तो we will get a net of a cube. We will get a net of a cube. तो जो इसमें पिक्चर्स बने हुए हैं ABCD, ये 4 nets are there. These 4 nets are there. These all are a net of a cube. लेकिन इसमें से 1 पिक्चर इज करेक्ट है. और आप उसको कैसे पता करेंगे? You have to just follow a rule. The numbers on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. जिसके opposite face में 7 ऐड हो रहा है, that net is the correct one. When you check it very carefully, A, B, C, D, you will find that A picture is the correct option. Now let us revise the questions which we have already discussed. Again you can look it properly. Can you guess what that box like thing was? The box was a dice. Which number was on the opposite side of a 5? So the number is 2. In the picture, which number will be at the bottom face of 1? 1 is at the top, so the bottom में क्या होगा? 6. Which number will Ghibli see if she turns left from 5? अगर वो ऊपर साइड आती है तो नंबर विल बी 1, और अगर वो बैक साइड जाती है तो नंबर विल बी 3. बोथ द आंसर विल बी correct. What will this box look like if you opened it up? The box look like the figure given in A if it would be open. नेट्स दिए हुए हैं तो जो आपका A वाला है that is the correct, क्योंकि 6 + 1 7, 3 + 4 7, 5 + 2 7. This is the net of a cube. और जब हम opposite faces को when we add the opposite faces of this box of this cube, it should be 7. Now can you use this box to play a game? Yes. We can play Ludo, we can play Snake and Ladder. Next, an activity you have to do. You have to draw a shape like this on a thick paper. You have to take a thick sheet, white sheet paper, make a net of a cube. Color it. All the faces should be all the faces of this cube should be colored properly. In different colors you can color it. You have to write the numbers. और आपको जब numbers लिखने में one thing you have to keep in your mind that the numbers on the opposite faces of this box add up to 7. इसमें आपको देखना है 3 और 4 opposite faces हो गए, 1 and 6 opposite faces, 2 and 5 opposite faces. So when we add 1 and 6, it is 7. When we add 3 and 4, it is 7. When we add 5 and 2, it is 7. So sum of opposite sides should be 7. In this way, you can make a dice. You can make a dice and you can play various games with the help of dice. So what all games you can play with the dice? Yes, we can play Ludo, we can play Snake and Ladder. So students, we have completed this lesson. Most of the question I have explained you by these modules. Do it. Do all the questions given in this chapter in your notebook. If there is any doubt, you can check the answers in various modules. So we will meet in our next class. In our next class, we will start the new lesson, lesson number 6, the junk seller. So students, till then, goodbye.